In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix SOS Only on your iPhone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Before anything, the first thing I want you to do is maybe just walk around a bit, try and be in a different location because it might just be poor connection or service or signal or anything like that. But if you've done all of that stuff and it's just constantly on SOS only, this is what you want to do. Firstly, swipe down on the bottom right of your phone and you're going to be on this screen, which is the control panel. Then just turn on airplane mode and then just turn it back off again after a few seconds just to reset everything. It's going to reset your mobile data, your Wi-Fi connection, all of that stuff, and just see if it works. Then if it still doesn't work, this is what I want you to do. Head on over to your settings application, scroll down until you find general, and then from general scroll down one more time and you're going to see transfer or reset iPhone. Then once you're on here, just go to reset and then just reset your network settings. Now, what this does is it basically resets everything to do with your SIM, your Wi-Fi or anything like that. So any passwords or anything like that you have saved on your phone, you're going to have to re-input those, but reset network settings should definitely help. It's basically like factory resetting your iPhone, but only resetting the network part. So just do that and you should be good to go.